In this video, we are going to see the principal parts of vane pump. Vane pump basically comprises of rotor which is mounted over a shaft coupled with the electric motor. This rotor carries series of vanes in the slots arranged radially among its periphery. These vanes are going to make a firm contact with the ring mounted inside the casing. As we can see, this ring matches exactly with the inner periphery of the casing. This casing has inlet port and outlet port. From inlet port, the hydraulic oil is going to enter during the suction stroke, and from outlet port, high pressure hydraulic oil is going to leave the pump and it will be delivered to the required application area. Now let us see how this vane pump delivers high pressure hydraulic oil. As we all know, the rotor is connected through some coupling with the electric motor. So when the electric motor is going to run, this rotor is also going to rotate in clockwise direction. Because of the rotation of this rotor, the centrifugal force will be acting on each of the vane, and these vanes will come out of this slot and will make a firm contact with the ring. So when this contact is made, the suction will be created near the inlet port, since the area, or we can say volume, near the suction port is increasing, as we can see in the figure. Since the volume is increasing, the vacuum will be created, and from this inlet port the hydraulic oil is going to enter the pump and it will get trapped in between these two vanes. Since these two vanes are going to proceed, it will carry the hydraulic oil along with it towards the outlet port, and we can see near the outlet port the volume is decreasing. So since the volume is going to decrease, pressure is ultimately going to increase. So such high pressure hydraulic oil is going to leave the pump from the outlet port and it will be delivered to the required application area. So this is how vane pump delivers high pressure hydraulic oil. I hope you have understood today's session. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can post it out in the comment section. And if you are really finding the content interesting and helpful for you, then do like, share with your engineering friends, and do subscribe. Thank you.